Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you, and it is my vegan kind beauty box. So this box is completely cruelty free, it is vegan friendly, and yeah, I've been having it a few months now. So it comes every 2 months. It costs £15. Postage is £3.15, so it makes it £18.15 every 2 months. I have got a code for you down below, which to get £5 off your first box, just use the code vegan. I'll pop a link so you can it'll take you to that website, and let's see what's inside it. It feels very light. I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I might complain, but let's have a look and see what we have. I've seen no spoilers. I don't know what's inside it. My other friend that used to get this, she's just cancelled hers. So here we are. So inside it says, "Hello, beautiful. Pleasures can be guilty, but for us, it's not the case. We found the best of cruelty free and put them in one place. So have a look at what we've picked and pamper and unwind. We're doing good and looking great. With love, the vegan kind." And this is their social media. So Facebook, it is the vegan kind. Instagram, it is the vegan kind. And if you hashtag TVK beauty box. So it is all very minimalistic. You know, there's no sort of like excessive packaging and things. So we have here the little booklet, and here are the products. I'm going to pop it down, have a look and see what we've got here. That's what we've got. Let's have a look. So first thing we have, ooh, so this is a brand I recognise, and I think this is the first time I've ever seen this in any beauty box, and it is B. And this is a brand that I usually see in Superdrug. It is a fan brush. I have a few, I'm not going to lie, but there we are. Let's see. So let's see what it says here. So official B fan brush, RRP is £6.99. So it says, the multifunctional B fan brush is ideal for softly applying setting powder, blush and bronzer. It is also a good tool for lifting away excess eyeshadow that lands on the face during application with little disruption to your makeup. Makeup bag essential. You can also use this brush to apply highlighter to your cheekbones and collarbone for a gorgeous glow. And that is what I tend to use these fan brushes for. I think because it looks so nice and it's in here, I'm going to pop this into my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. But yes, that looks really nice. I want to try it and see what it's like, but I don't think if I'm giving it away I should be doing that. But it's inside its own little pouch, I think, inside. I'm not sure. But that looks really nice. So I'm really, that's really interesting to see that they are now in beauty boxes. Next thing is, oh, Skin Radiance Retinol Moisturizer Cream. Here we go. So, what is this? I can't find. Oh, here we go, right at the top. So, Skin Radiance Retinol Moisturizer Cream with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, 50 ml, and the RRP is for £14.99. It says Skin Radiance Retinol Cream Moisturizer contains premium retinol, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C for day and night use. Retinol is the latest must-have skincare ingredient that everyone loves at the moment, as it's anti-aging, treats wrinkles, acne and hyperpigmentation. Dermatologist research proves that retinol is the golden ingredient to visibly improve the skin. This moisturizer is non-greasy, instantly absorbing cream that is suitable for all skin types. And you can use the code TVK20 for 20% off all orders at skinradiance.org until the 1st of June. Any codes and things, I'll put them down below for money off, and then that way you can go and have a look in your free time. So that's that. Quite a nice little packaging, actually. Let's see what this is like. It's got a little tab. It had a little tab on the end. I'm going to just pop a tiny bit. So it's a pump, which I like, because oh, there we go. I think, is it coming? I can hear it coming. Oh, so that's it there. Oh, it's cold. So that goes in really nicely. Very slight smell, but nothing overbearing. And yes, so interesting to use that. see if it helps with my skin and making me more, more bright and glowy. Next thing we have is Prime Time, and this is by I never know how to say this. BB. We had a lip plumper in one of our other boxes last month, which was really, really lovely. It was a nice balm. It didn't do much plumping, but it was a really nice product. So this is it here in the box, and this is, so it's BB Beauty Prime Time. Oh, it's a facial polish, and it's 60 mils. RRP is £24. So it's a priming face scrub for normal, dry or sensitive skin that cleanses, exfoliates and prepares your skin for the rest of your beauty products. The better conditioned skin, the more likely to absorb the nutrients in your products. Prime Time is great at gently unclogging pores, removing general grime and banishing problematic dead skin cells without irritating or stripping the skin. With enzymatic exfoliation from lime, pineapple and apple acids, the gentle physical exfoliation from jojoba beads, Prime Time provides a thorough scrub to reveal bright, fresh skin primed for the next stage of your beauty routine. Use 2 to 3 times a week alongside your normal cleanser. Apply to dry skin, rinse thoroughly with warm water. Alternatively, allow to sit on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes for an exfoliating mask. So again, there's another code for 20% off, so I'll pop that down below. Let's just have a little look at it inside. So that's really important. I like exfoliating my skin. Oh, there's a leaflet inside as well. So there's a, oh, that's good. So booklet here, and what's in here? Oh, it's telling you about the brand, about the facial polishes, a few of the other products, and yeah, 20% off. And that's it there. Nice and simple packaging. It isn't sealed. I'll just pop a little bit out. Is it? Oh, it feels really thick. Oh, heck. Ugh. Wow, that is, have you seen that? That is what like the lip plumping balm was like. Gosh, you're going to get a workout doing that. Oh, it's really, oh, it feels like a Vaseline with grains in it. I was not expecting that. I thought it was going to be more like a gel. So you can, oh, it smells lovely. So you can see there it looks very sort of Vaseline-y, and it is. It feels like a Vaseline consistent with a very, very fine beads in. I think that's going to be lovely. I think definitely if your skin is dry, that is just going to feel so, I don't know, just like soothing and nourishing, and yeah, whilst get rid of all those dead skin cells. So I'm really liking the look of that. It smells, don't think it smells minty, maybe a little bit, but it smells so nice. Next thing we have, we seem to have a lot in the box today, is this is from, it's code SSL. And it is, so it's Code Beautiful SSL, and so it's a soft, smooth lip liner. RRP is £18. I have had a lip liner by this brand before, I'm pretty sure of it. So it's award-winning, self-sharpening, 3-in-1 lip liner, lipstick and lip plumper, designed in the perfect soft blush shade to give you a blendable natural look. Non-feathering, Code SSL prevents your lip gloss and lipstick from bleeding for an effortless look you can trust. Clever self-sharpening technology means you simply twist the lid until it clicks, and then you have the perfect tip to glide onto your lips. Again, I have another code for 20% off, which I'll put down below. This is a really nice product, and once I worked out how to do the self-sharpening mechanism, it's just so clever, and it'd be great if all pencils came like this. I think it is the same one. If this is the one I've already got, then I'll share. Let's have a look. I think it is. So it is a really lovely colour. You can see there it is a lovely, lovely nude colour. And the way you do it, the lid screws on, and then to sharpen it, you screw it, then you do it one more, and then that's it sharpened. And then you just unscrew it and you have your product. So I'm going to pop that away. I am going to double check in my collection, and if I have already got this one, again I'm going to put this into my giveaway, or I'll pass it on to one of my lovely friends. But it is a really nice pencil. Next thing we have is, we've got two things, I think, right, what have we got? Here we are. I've not had one of these before. It's by Shobu, and it is a bath bomb for the shower. Indulgence chamomile clove cardamom. I've never heard of a bath bomb for the shower before. Have any of you? Charmed Wench, do you know what this is? You're the bath bomb queen. So this is a Shobu Indulgence bath bomb for the shower. RRP is £3, and it says beautifully natural aromas are combined perfectly together for a Shobu home spa experience. Turn your shower into a spa. Shobu shower bombs were designed by two busy mums for a no mess, easy to use bath bomb alternative. They turn taking a shower into a sanctuary of tranquility and well-being through aromatherapy. Sounds lovely already. This sumptuous mix of chamomile, clove and cardamom will bring a sense of calm. Clove has a warming aroma that will help promote healing, and cardamom helps detox the body. This indulgent mix will help you have a luxurious, peaceful experience just by popping the tablet on the shower base, just out the flow of water. Oh, right, so you don't use it to clean yourself or anything. So it sounds like you've got to put it on the floor near the plug hole or the drain, and then as the water runs over it, I think it just releases all the aromas. So that is such an interesting product. So yes, it says turn the shower on, allow it to heat up to the required temperature, open the packet, place the tablet on the base of the shower bath or wet room, and then the product enjoyed best when out of direct flow of water, best enjoyed before or after washing. I've never heard of these. I'm so curious to try it. So yeah, I'm liking the sound of that. And then I've got one more thing, which I think might be a little freebie. Let me just check my little booklet. So I've done that. Oh, no. Well, it is a sample, but it tells you about it. So it is PHB, which is like ethical beauty, and it is a superfood moisturizing serum. So it's 2-in-1 face and eye serum with vitamin C and kojic acid, and it's a sample. RRP of this is valued at about £1.20. So it says this superfood serum deeply penetrates skin to help plump, firm and brighten. This handmade with love, easily absorbed formula delivers essential vitamins, minerals and nutrients that contribute to skin vitality, helping firm and contour skin, brighten dark areas and boost radiance for a glowing, luminous complexion. Kojic acid is a natural skin brightener, reduces the appearance of dark spots, and vitamin C is rich in antioxidants. Licorice improves the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tones. Turmeric, powerful skin rejuvenator for smoother, healthier looking skin. Awaken and enliven your skin and senses with sweet neroli, grapefruit and immortelle. Blended with grounding vetiver and restorative petitgrain. To re-energize your spirit and calm the mind. Again, more codes. Everybody gives this company codes to use. So there are a shed load of codes. They're all going to be down below. And so yeah, that is that. Now, do you know what? I've had such a clever idea what to do with this. I'll insert a photo, because I was going to throw a load of my empties out the other day after filming. And then I have little tiny pots that I'd got from one of my eye creams from another brand, and anyway, they're just tiny. I think they only had 2.5 mils in them. They were little sort of sample size eye creams in pots. But I just thought then, I'm keeping these because if I get any little sachets, I can then decant the sample from this into the little pots, so then I have a lid on it, so I don't, you know, it's airtight again. So yes, so that's what I'm going to do. I will see if that works. And but I just thought that's a good way of just reusing those and then sort of getting the most out of these sort of little products. And that is everything. That's my box all empty. There's just a few noodles in the bottom. So I'll just run back over what we got in this box. So we have the little sample of the face and eye serum, the shower bomb, which looks such an interesting product. I'm so excited to try it. This is the facial polish, which again looks really, really interesting. It is like a gritty Vaseline, so that is, I've never ever tried anything with that formula before, so I'm interested to give that a go. The Code Beautiful SSL lip liner, which is self-sharpening. Pretty sure I've got this, that's going to go into a giveaway. We have the Retinol moisturizer cream, which is amazing. It looks beautiful, so I'm excited to try that. And the fan brush from Bee Beauty. Is it Bee Beauty? But anyway, you get these in Superdrug. First time I've seen them in a beauty box. That's it. So they have said that the value comes to over £65, and I believe them. So I'm going to continue with this box. I think it's a really nice mix of skincare, makeup, a little bit of pampering, plus as well it's cruelty free and vegan. So what more can you ask for, really? It's like the way that we should all be going, don't you think? So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can get £5 off your box if you want. So check down below, all the details are there. I hope you've enjoyed my channel. Please do subscribe. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It is a subscribers giveaway, and I won't necessarily be doing a separate post, so just make sure that you are subscribed. If you could follow me over on Instagram as well, that'd be fabulous. It is ladymawabeauty, because I will probably announce a winner over there at some point after I hit 2,000. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care, leave me a comment, thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye guys, see you later.